Hello, friends. It's me, Rio, the cutest and the most handsome parrot in this house. Today I woke up in a very good mood. First, I looked around my palace. Yes, my beautiful cage. Then, I thought, what should I do today? So I climbed up the stairs. Then I climbed down the stairs. Then up again. Then down again. Honestly, sometimes I think these stairs were made just for my daily workout. After that, I went to check my food bowl. Very important job, because a parrot must always know what is on the menu today. I looked inside the bowl and said, interesting. Not bad, Mama. Not bad. Then I walked around like a king. Step, step, step. Looking here, looking there. Just making sure everything in my palace is perfect. But suddenly, I saw something very strange. The camera. Yes, that camera again. My mama always appears with that camera when I am just enjoying my life. And then she says, Rio, look here. Excuse me, am I a movie star or something? So sometimes I just look at the camera like this. And sometimes I pretend I am very busy, walking around, playing, acting, cool. Because you know, a superstar like me must keep a little attitude. But honestly, life is good. Nice cage, good food, and a mama who loves me a lot. So friends, this was Rio's little adventure of the day. If you like my funny life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow I will come back with another funny story. Until then, Rio says, bye friends.